G'day, back again. Just finishing up for the day. I'll show you what I've got done. I've sprayed my ceilings. I've glossed my door frames. So all the door frame. I've glossed my doors. There's two front doors there. They're glossed. Some other doors there glossed. Pelmets glossed. Ceilings sprayed, rolled, back rolled. All the frames are glossed. All the frames here are glossed. Front, internal and external door frames are glossed. So just go out here. All this is finished. Bit of a mess there. All glossed. All my stringers are glossed. As you can see up there, all my stringers are glossed. Up there, down here, they're all glossed. Same thing here. On my frames, ceilings are all finished. Glossed, of course. Beautiful and shiny. Just lovely. They're being sprayed. And that is gloss enamel. So it comes up absolutely beautiful. So what's got to happen next is there's a little bit of overspray on this cornice every place that I've glossed my frames. So for example, all up along there, along there. So on Monday morning, all those ceilings are finished. Monday morning I will be pulling out my ceiling flat and just spraying that cornice again around there. Just double check everything, make sure everything's sweet. When we gloss these here, we get gloss in here, so this just has to be cut in and just quickly rolled. Yeah, so that's gloss enamel. It's absolutely beautiful stuff. You see the shine of it there, it's amazing. Some more doors up here, it's been glossed. Now I do these by hand. I just paint the door edges, bottom, and then spray the inserts and then roll. Just close this window because I'm heading off. Okay. So that's about it. Cutting in the tops. Top's got to have two coats cut in. The window boxes have to be painted. They're all sanded, ready to go. When I cut the tops in, I'll be painting the window boxes. They can be glossed. Roll the walls. Walls still have to be plastered. Fix some damages and stuff like that. And then they've just got to be sanded. Yeah, that's it. So, it's not too bad. We'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.